In this video, we are going to see how to convert a colored image to a grayscale image in Python. We will make use of a Python library called OpenCV. To look at the code snippet, we'll go search in kandi.openviewer.com. The query being convert image to grayscale. OpenCV. We see so many code snippet recommendations for the search query. So before we proceed to make use of the code snippet, we'll have to install the library, in this case specifically being OpenCV Python. The library per se is available just above the code snippet, and the install command is available just by clicking on this particular link. Let's go ahead and pick up the first code snippet, copy it using a single click, copy the code snippet, go to an IDE of my choice, and create a new file, in this case being Python, and name it as grayscale.py, and just paste the code. In the code we just copied, this part of the code, which is the convert color method, is the one in OpenCV that converts image from one color space to another color space, whereas the imRead is the function which reads the image, and imShow is the function which showcases the image we just converted. After this, we want to rename the name of the file which we want to process. In this case, we'll take a colored image called earth.jpg. This will convert into grayscale. So I'm just going to replace this with the name of this file, which is earth.jpg. Run it. Here we'll see that the output displayed is grayscale compared to what we see in the input here.